All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the four-step digital products sales funnel here. And this particular funnel, really the only difference here is that we're presenting a particular offer. And let me show you how this would get set up here. So the very first step would be to have an ad, just like the old funnel here that we went over as far as the three-step local business funnel. We have some sort of ad, we have some sort of marketing material that has made our prospects become aware of us, our product, our service, whatever it is that we're trying to promote through some sort of free information, lead magnet, whatever that may be, right? So once they see our ad, they're going to go to a landing page. The landing page is going to explain essentially what the offer is, what they're going to get, right? And then the next stage is going to be where they're taken to a one-time offer. Now, this is a very low-cost offer here, under $50, typically $17, $27, something along those lines, where it's kind of like a no-brainer, right? Where you're not asking them to take out, $100 or whatever. It's very low cost. And it's something that is called a tripwire. This is what it's commonly known as, but it's very low cost offer that still provides a ton of value, right? You want to make sure that whatever it is that you have as a one-time offer, that you're providing a ton of value and that you are, delivering it right there and then. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you had a coaching business and consulting business, right? That helps marketing agencies essentially generate more leads that turn into clients, right? So with your ad here, maybe you have some sort of free cheat sheet where you're telling them, hey, how to get 5 leads in a week, whatever that may be. And then you take them to a landing page so that it can explain what that offer is, get them to, sign up for the, email and actually get that particular, cheat sheet or lead magnet, whatever it may be. But then once they put in their information, instead of going to a thank you page, it takes them to a one-time offer. And oftentimes these one-time offers have like countdowns. They have, offers where it's like, hey, this offer will never be available ever again. You're only going to be able to see this one time. But for this, $19, $17, you're going to get a free mini course. We can call that, right? And the free mini course can be that one-time offer, and it can be maybe some of your past training. Maybe it can be a kind of a condensed version of what your actual, maybe full course is about, right? So this one-time offer really, makes it so that it's a no-brainer for the prospect, and it still provides a ton of value. And then once they are kind of going through your whole nurturing, sequence and process, they are able to get free valuable information from the lead magnet. They're able to get valuable information from the tripwire, which is a very low cost. And then once they are actually, wanting to turn into an actual high paying customer, right? Where they moved from like a tripwire offer, $17, $19, whatever that may be, to then becoming a full-on client or customer that pays you, $9.97 for coaching, for consulting, whatever that may be, right? That high ticket offer. But all along these lines, you're building trust, credibility, and authority. Now, the final step, right, is that thank you page. Same as the 3-step. We're confirming that they either purchased the product and it's on their way, or that, the next steps that they need to know about as far as, moving forward along in the sales funnel. So that's essentially, in a simple form here, the 4-step digital product sales funnel. Remember, the only difference here is that we have a one-time low ticket item, and it's really allowing them to take advantage of this limited time offer that is extremely valuable, and it's extremely low cost, and the value is massive. So that's it for this video here. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.